put the hard work in, you should get the reward. Let's go fish. What's going on, everybody? We're out here today on Lake Nipissing again, fishing for some walleyes. It's very windy today. We had a little rough morning trying to pop up the hut with a mass amount of wind and whatnot, but you know, we prevailed, got it up obviously, and we're gonna start fishing now, and hopefully we get some into some nice fish. It's gonna be a good day because this morning kind of sucked a little with the wind, so hopefully the fishing treats us well. And if you guys are enjoying the videos, you know, give me a thumbs up. It's always good. A little comment down below, subscribe. Any interaction with the video, guys, actually goes a very long way to help out my small channel, and I really appreciate everything that you guys do. So thanks very much. Without further ado, let's get into it, shall we? We got a fish. We got a fish. Pull the deucer out. I'm gonna chance it. Yeah, you can. Nice. Very nice. Let's get my hooks here. Very good. There we go, a little walleye right there. See you later, buddy. Nice. Woo! Seen a bunch of fish come by. That was the first one that actually hit. I changed my lure. I thought maybe that would help. Maybe it did. But, I don't know. Maybe the wind's... It's very windy right now. The camera's, like, shaky. So, I'm going to try to fix that, hopefully, but... I don't know if the wind's got something to do with, like, the fish activity. There's no wind down in the water, but, you know, barometric pressures and all that kind of science. Who knows? Could just be one of those days. Anyway, we're going to get back at it, see if we can get some more, get lucky. We'll see. Oh, I wasn't even recording yet when I hooked this fish. As soon as I went back down, I closed the bail and the rod just started bending over. You probably hit it on the way down. Oh, he popped off at the hole. Oh, he wasn't a huge walleye, but he was bigger than the last one, but, you know. Oh, no. It happens. What are you going to do? We'll just get back at her. You know how it works. Using this buckshot rattle spoon right now in this orange color, and it's working, so let's do it. Oh my god, this wind. This wind could just die down like a little bit. That would be nice. Is it too much to ask? When I checked, it said the wind wasn't even supposed to be that bad today. But it said it could be gusting up to like 50-something kilometers an hour. It's just like 50-something kilometers an hour all the time. It's not gusting once in a while. It's just all the time. I should have known. I should have known. But I'm out here being a trooper, being a champion catching fish, hopefully. Usually it takes me like 5 minutes to get the hut popped up and everything inside lying in the water. Today it took me like 40 minutes. This camera is not going to sit still. Oh my god. Trying to hold on to my hut so it doesn't fly away, trying to peg down the corners, adding anchor ropes to the walls so the walls don't cave in. What a mess. But we're doing it. We're here and we're doing it. So now if this fish that I'm marking would just hit, that would be nice. You know? Put the hard work in, you should get the reward. Let's go, fish. Sometime today would be nice. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. This one feels okay. Better than the last few. He's decent. Well, we caught something. Very nice. Woo! Back down it goes. Here we go. See you later. Alright, I need another minnow. And we're getting back down there. Oh, wow. Pulled a bunch of line. Let's go. Oh, I got another one here. I wasn't even ready for this guy. Pull that out. Nice. Decent. Decent. Right in the corner of the mouth, just barely. That's all it takes. What? There we go. Very nice. Swim away. Oh. All right, there we go. There we go. There was a nicer fish right there. I wasn't able to record me catching it because I was messing around and then it came out of nowhere. That's a decent one. Right on. Starting to pick up now, so thank God. Woo! He can go back. Let's keep going. Marking a fish here. Oh, he nibbled it. He nibbled it. I felt him. Come back, fishy. Come back. He's coming back. Oh, there's a few. There's a few there. The heater shut off. Turn that off for a second. I'll start it back up. Come on. Come on. Here we go. I got him. I got him. It's a walleye. Oh. This guy was smaller. I say that it's okay, but like, still hurts my heart a little. But it's okay. He was going back anyway. But still. They're biting very light today, I've noticed. It's hard to get like a good hook set. But we'll overcome. We always do. So, there we go. Got ourselves another one. Feels alright. There he is. Yeah. Yeah. Up there. Very good. Very good. Swim away. I got to keep my little chunk of my minnow. Had to put my camera in a different spot because usually I have it hanging on the wall, but it's way too windy. And it just keeps shaking the camera, so I have like a setup right now in the corner with a bunch of stuff stacked up, and my camera's sitting on top of it. At least it's not shaky, so we're just gonna roll with it. And yeah, oh, got another fish coming. We're on another fish. Marking it. He's right on me. Oh, he came up, checked it out, and just kind of like went back down. Yeah, we'll see if he circles back. Well, guys, that's it for today. We're going to head home now. We're all packed up, ready to go. So it wasn't too bad of a day. We caught like about 9, maybe 10 fish. So can't complain about that. I didn't get them all on film, but, you know, it happens. Yeah, besides the wind this morning, it was good. But now we're going to head home, get some rest, get a couple other things I got to get done. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stick around for more videos, and catch you guys next time. See ya.